Alright, this question says that a cylinder and a cone have the same volume. Don't forget that part. They have the same volume. So if the height of the cone is 24 centimeter, we have to find the height of the cylinder. Now, first of all, the volume of a cone is pi r square h over 3, and the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Now, since they have equivalent volume according to the question, so that means the volume of a cone, which is pi r square h over 3, will be equivalent to the volume of the cylinder, which is pi r square h. Now we have pi. If you cross r square times, let's say the height of the cone is 24 centimeter, equals to pi r square h. Now, if you notice something, okay, I can write over 3. So let me do something here. 3 can go here, 1, 3 can go here, that's 8 centimeter. So I have pi r square times 8 centimeter equals to pi r square times h. Since they are equal, divide both sides by pi r square. So divide both sides by pi r square. Pi r square is common, so that means I'm going to be having pi r square. I'm going to be having pi r square times 8 centimeter over pi r square equals to pi r square times h over pi r square. Even from here, okay, from here, pi r square will cancel pi r square will cancel pi r square. So automatically, the height of the cylinder is going to be 8 centimeter. Thank you.